see
Yeah.
my?
Yes.
Yes. So here you are able to see Amazon application, my everyone here? Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, if I right click the application over here and if I go to inspect, it is showing something here with HTML, right? Everyone? Are you able to see?
Hmm.
Yes, so this is nothing but front-end applications. The TypeScript is a scripting language which is used to develop the front-end applications, guys. And who developed the respective TypeScript? See here, TypeScript was introduced. TypeScript was introduced by Anders. Okay, so Anders, so Hilsberg, so and see here, so Hilsberg, and this was introduced. So this was introduced in the market in the year 2012. So this is introduced in the market in the year 2012. So 2012. So TypeScript was there in the market since 2012. So since 2012. So here the person who introduced the TypeScript is Anders. So it was introduced in the market in the year 2012, guys. And observe carefully, 2012 and this TypeScript. So observe carefully, guys. TypeScript is an extension of JavaScript. TypeScript is an extension of JavaScript. It is extension of the JavaScript, and this particular TypeScript have or this particular TypeScript contains compilers, guys. So compilers. So what compilers will do, guys? These compilers, we have the same compilers in Java as well. What these compilers will do? These compilers will translate. Observe carefully, a very important point. This particular compilers will translate. So, or the particular compilers will convert TypeScript code or TypeScript classes into JavaScript classes, into the respective JavaScript classes, JavaScript classes. So while JavaScript classes, while executing the code, okay? So while executing the respective TypeScript code or classes. Remember, I have written some code in TypeScript. If I execute it, what will happen in the back end? So what the TypeScript compilers would do, this TypeScript compiler will convert TypeScript class into JavaScript class. TypeScript class into JavaScript class while executing the TypeScript code or classes, guys. So here TypeScript code or classes. So TypeScript classes will be changing to JavaScript at the time of execution. So am I audible, everyone? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and the extension, observe carefully, and the respective extension. So the extension of TypeScript class is .ts. So here, what is the extension of the TypeScript class, everyone? The extension of the TypeScript class is, so the extension of the respective TypeScript class is .ts, and the extension of the JavaScript class is .js, which is very important. Java is .java, C hash is .cs, Python is .py, TypeScript is .ts, JavaScript is .js. Am I audible, everyone? Yes or no? Guys, what is the extension
Yes.
of the TypeScript, everyone? What is the extension of TypeScript?
.ts.
What about JS, everyone? What is the extension of the JavaScript, everyone?
Dot
Perfect. It is nothing but .js, guys. And I'm going to explain the advantages. We have lot of advantages out there. So the first point is debugging. Debugging and running. Running means what? So running means execution. So here my execution of the respective program or the execution of the respective TypeScript class or code. So without, see here, without any breakpoints. So without any breakpoint, guys. So breakpoint, guys. So here in TypeScript is very easy, or we can say handy, guys. Debugging. If you want to debug the code in TypeScript, or if you want to run the code in TypeScript, which is very easy in the respective TypeScript, guys. And also one more thing is TypeScript can easily identify. Observe carefully, TypeScript can easily identify the respective compile time errors. Compile time errors means coding errors, guys. So TypeScript easily identify the coding errors, guys. So here, if there are any coding errors, if you have missed any assignment, or if you have provided any unwanted syntax, so at that time it will throw the coding errors dead easily. User can see the coding errors very easily, guys. And one more thing is, like Java or C hash, TypeScript is not a so TypeScript is not a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language means what? Case sensitive language means no need to add or no need to use the semicolons. Semicolon is not required to add or to break, to end or to break every line of code. So each and every line of code. So see here, my TypeScript is not a case sensitive language in Java. So Java is a case sensitive language. Case Java is a case sensitive. Every line we should end with semicolon, guys. But TypeScript and JavaScript is not a case sensitive language. No need to provide the semicolon by end of the line. If you want, you can provide. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. Am I audible, my everyone? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you able to understand, ma? Akash, Shwarna, Dilip, Raja Babu?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. And one more thing is, ma, in TypeScript, we do not have exception handling mechanism. We do not have exceptions concept. Exceptions means what, guys? So here exception, so exception means abnormal condition, guys. So exception means abnormal or unexpected. So abnormal condition or unexpected. See here, unexpected condition or unexpected situation that will stop or that will terminate. Observe carefully, a very important point, that will terminate the normal flow of execution of a program, yes, of a program of TypeScript classes. So of TypeScript classes, guys. So observe carefully, my everyone. So exception means that it is one kind of error. So it will completely stop the execution, guys. It will throw the exceptions. It will completely break the program execution. But in TypeScript, we do not have exceptions. We do not have exceptions. Even if we have the, see, observe carefully, even if we have the compile time errors, so means coding errors, even if you have the coding errors, so even if you have the respective coding errors, very important point, even if you have the respective coding errors, so if the user executes the program or if the user executes the respective code, so it will not stop the execution of a TypeScript class. Okay? So of a TypeScript class, even if we have the compile time errors, it will not stop the execution of the TypeScript classes. It will run the TypeScript class. Observe carefully, it will run the TypeScript class automatically, so without any issues, and it will return the respective output to the user. It will return the respective output to the user, base. Observe carefully, like Java, we do not have exceptions concept. Even if we have the errors, our code will never be terminated. It will execute and every output will be shown to the user. Am I audible, everyone? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
we do
ma'am.
not have this kind of mechanism in Java. We have this kind of mechanism in TypeScript and JavaScript only. Am I audible, everyone? If we have the errors, so will it stop the execution of a class in TypeScript,
No, ma'am.
It will not, guys. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
And one more thing is this compilers. What these compilers will do, if we have executed the TypeScript class, it will convert the TypeScript class into JavaScript and it will execute in the backend, guys. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Yes. And now I'm going to add one more point, which is very important, in TypeScript, guys. In TypeScript, creation of class, in TypeScript, creation of class is not required to add the code. To add the code, class creation is not mandatory like Java, like C hash. And one more important point is TypeScript will allow the user to create classes, to create objects, to create methods, to create functions, to create the expect to see here, but to create functions, to create inheritance, to create interfaces, to create polymorphism, a polymorphism. And this is very important interview question. We have only overriding concept is there in TypeScript and JavaScript. We do not have overloading. Ma'am, what is overloading? I'll explain that one in the next classes, is future classes. TypeScript will allow the user to create classes, objects, methods, functions, inheritance, interfaces, polymorphism. Let me add one more point here: access modifiers like public, private, protected, and everything. So, ma'am, usually methods and functions both are same, right? In other languages, then why we are calling methods and see here, ma? Why we are calling the respective methods and the respective functions separately here? Here, functions are separate, methods are separate. Ma. For example, methods means a block of code or set of code. Now, see here, guys, a block of code or set of statements. Let me mention clearly: a block of code or set of statements. A block of code or set of statements, so which is created inside the class, which is created inside the class. Okay, see here, ma, class objects methods. Methods means what, ma? A block of code that is created in the class level, ma. Am I audible, ma, everyone? A block of code that is created where, ma, everyone? A block of code that has to be created where, ma? Inside the class or outside the class, ma? Guys, am I audible?
Yes,
Guys, am
yes,
I
ma'am.
audible, ma? Methods means a block of code that has created inside the class, ma. Functions means a block of code that is created outside the class. Guys, am I audible, everyone?
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
have created a group of code, if I have created a block of code in the class level, what does it mean, guys? I have created a couple of a block of code in the class level. What we can call that one? What type of block is it?
Method
Method, right? A block of code that I have created outside the class level, ma. What we can call that block, ma?
Functions.
Everyone. Yes, functions. A block of code that is created inside the class means that is method. Outside the class means that is function. Am I audible, everyone? Yes or no,
Yes,
guys?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you able to see, ma? TypeScript have compilers. It will convert TypeScript to JavaScript. Am I audible, ma, everyone? TypeScript have compilers. What it is doing, ma? It is converting TypeScript to JavaScript, right, ma? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. So, any questions as of now, ma, before going to the installation part? Okay, now I'm going to show you what exactly we require. Ma. We require one IDE and we need to install Node.js, TypeScript, and everything. So observe carefully, guys. So what are the requirements we have? We need one IDE, ma, integrated development environment. That IDE we are going to use as Visual Studio Code. What is Visual Studio Code? What is the purpose of it? Guys, we will write some automation code, right, ma? We will store that automation code in the Visual Studio. We will create the automation code in Visual Studio and we will execute it. Node.js is mandatory, because TypeScript belongs to JavaScript. JavaScript is a Node.js module, guys. Node.js means JavaScript, and we need to install the TypeScript to write the code. So if you go here, so Visual Studio Code, see here, Visual Studio is a place where we are going to add the automation. How to download it? Copy this one, ma. So copy this link, ma, go to Google and enter here, ma. So enter that link over here and click on enter. Provide the link over there and click on enter, guys. It is showing Windows, Ubuntu, RPM, Mac, different things. So here, if you are using Windows, click on this link, ma, or Ubuntu, click on this, or Whenever I click on this or Mac OS, click on this. So I am using Windows, ma. How do we know, ma'am, which operating system we are using? It is very easy, ma. Go to this PC here, right click on this PC, go to properties, ma. It will open one page, guys. In that page, you can able to see what is the version and what is the edition of the operating system you are using. Am I audible, ma, everyone? Windows 11 Pro. Are you able to see my every person? Ma,
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
are able to
Yes,
understand,
ma'am.
please say no, otherwise
Yes.
please say yes. So I'm using Windows. Just click on Windows, ma. Just single click, ma. That's it. It will download, ma. So are you able to see, ma? It is downloading. One download is in progress. VS Code, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, ma, downloading is done. Go to the second option, open option. Click on open here, ma. It will open one pop-up, guys. So here, click on I accept the agreement, ma. Go to next, ma. Next again, click on install. It will install the setup, guys. It will install the Visual Studio Code, ma. And Visual Studio Code will be open automatically after installation, guys. Guys, make sure you have proper network access, ma. You are clear, right, ma? See, ma, go to finish, guys. So it will open Visual Studio. Here, ma, it is up. See here, guys. It will open Visual Studio like this. Are you able to see, ma, everyone? Visual Studio?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? So it will open like this. So later on, what we need to do, ma, we need to install Node.js, guys. Go to little down here, Node.js, copy the URL here, ma. Same process, guys. Go to Google and click on, provide the link in the search bar, click on enter. It will show you Node.js one. Click on get node.js ma here. So whatever the versions you have, you can select the same. Otherwise, in your company, if you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can select the options here, ma. You can select whatever the option you required for your company basis, or otherwise come to little down, ma. You can change the versions here as well, guys. Windows, so different things here. And actually, ma, I am using as it is and go to .msi, ma. So don't go for .zip file, ma. Download .msi. Click on .msi, ma. It will enter. It will download the Node.js, guys. Able to see, ma? Node.js is also downloading. Everyone, the above one. Are you able to see, ma? This one. Every person. Am I audible? Yes, I'm audible, ma. Node.js is also downloaded. Again, go to second option, ma, and it will also open one pop-up, guys. So see here, ma. What is happening? Microsoft Defender Smart Prevent and recognized from running this app. Information run anyway. Yeah, click on run anyway, guys, and it will open the pop-up like this, and it is loading all the jar files, ma. Go to next, guys. Click on I accept, ma. Go to next, ma. And here Node.js is storing in the C drive program files. I'll show you, ma. You can copy this one, otherwise I'll show you. Go to next, ma, until you will get the respective install button, guys. Click on install, ma. It will take some time, guys. So click on install. It will ask you yes or no buttons. Click on yes, ma. It will install, guys. Am I audible, everyone? Where it will store my Node.js after installing it, it will store in C under program files, guys. I'll show you that one as well. See here, ma, go to click on finish. Now go to folder level, ma, go to this PC, C drive, program files, ma, and select today's date, guys. So today, are you able to see my Node.js is installed today by 7:31? Everyone? Yes or no, guys? 7:31. Able to see? Every person? Yes, have you seen, ma? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what we need to do? See here, guys, Node.js we have installed, Visual Studio we have installed. Now we need to install the respective TypeScript. Where we need to install, guys? We need to install here in the Visual Studio code. How we need to install? Guys, like Java, we cannot able to create the project here. Now, how to create the project? How I need to create a folders? So we need to create one folder in the local machine. Right click here, go to new, go to folder, and for example I am using 27th April 2026 batch. So 27th April 2026 batch, open this folder, this is empty folder. Go to the path level, single click here, it will select it. Control C, that means copy. Go to the Visual Studio Code, click on file, go to open folder, and provide the path over here. Control V, click on enter. This is an empty folder, click on select folder. The folder will be opened here. Able to see, everyone? Select trust, select I trust the authors. Are you able to see, the folder is opened here, 27th April 2026 batch, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, am I audible?
Do you want us to make it
Hmm.
now? Do the same thing?
No, 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 no. I will share you the recording. I'll share you the
Okay.
recording. Yes, and close the welcome pop-up page. See, in this folder, we are going to install the TypeScript. So here we are going to open the terminal. We have two ways is there. First way is, are you able to see the terminal option here, guys? Click on terminal, go to new terminal. It will open the terminal here. Able to see my everyone? It is opening 27 this folder. Every person. Are you able to see the terminal?
Yes.
What is the first option, ma? Go to terminal, click on new terminal. Otherwise, we have second option is there, ma. The option is control tilde option, ma. So I'm closing this. Again, I'm using control tilde, ma. Control tilde, guys. So here, observe carefully, ma. Are you able to? Okay. So here, control tilde, ma. So it will open it, ma. So control tilde, it will open it. So here, observe carefully, guys. So here, observe carefully, ma. So control tilde, guys. Are you able to see my control tilde, my everyone? Yes or no, guys? Tilde option means, see here, my tilde symbol. Are you able to see my this tilde symbol, guys? Everyone. Actually, this is below ESC key in my keyboard, guys. So in every keyboard, tilde option is there. What you need to do, ma, use control tilde, guys. It will open the terminal. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Later on, what we need to do, ma, we have below commands is the two commands, ma. So copy this command, TypeScript command. Select Control C. Go here. Go to terminal, ma. So go to terminal, guys. So let me expand. See, ma. Go to terminal. Right click here, ma. Remove one tools, guys. So just to use npm install -g TypeScript. Click on enter, ma. So it will install the TypeScript, guys. Are you able to see my changed one package? If you want to see the TypeScript version, use a TSC space TypeScript space -v TypeScript space hyphen version. Able to see my which version of TypeScript we are using? 6.0.3, right? Yes, can't able to see my screen, ma, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's clear.
So it's clear, right? So now you need to install TS node, ma. Copy the second command, ma. Go here, guys. Right click. See here, ma. Just let me copy once again. So here, copy this. Go to here, right click, and remove the second one two's here. Click on enter. It will install TypeScript node as well. See here, ma. Change the 20 packages. If you want to see the version of the TypeScript, ma, node, TypeScript node. So node space -v, ma, click on enter. What is the node version we are using here, ma?
Read 24.
So 24.15.0, right? Everyone? Yes or no, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how we need to create the folder. We need to install the setup. That's it. My installation is done, guys. Complete installation is done. Now I'm going to show you how to create the folder, not in today's class because few more students is going to join in next class. I will explain how to create a folder, how to execute it, everything in our next class. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So what you people need to do now, my every person? What you people need to do now?
Install Visual Studio Node.
Yes, you need to
Node.js.
install the respective Visual Studio. You need to install the respective Visual Studio. You need to set up the respective, what I can say, the complete folder, guys. Folder. Folder we have created. Later on, we installed TypeScript and everything, right, ma? Everyone? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, guys, I am sharing today's class as well in the chat. Ma. Why? Because Google Drive link is not yet created. Ma. Just go through the recording, go through the Word document, and just you can just use it. Ma. Okay, everyone. Guys, am I audible? I am
Yes, ma'am.
sharing today's material also in the chat. Ma. Why? Because the Google Drive link is not yet created. Ma. Okay. Go through the document and just use the commands and install it. Ma. Clear?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, I have shared. Ma. Hope you are able to see, right?
Yeah, I am about to open.
Just download it. Ma. From next class onwards, I'm going to start the coding, guys. Okay, please be ready with the setup, ma, everyone. Guys, TypeScript is dead easy, ma. I will explain everything here, guys. So just follow what we are doing here. Just attend the classes and just follow the videos and practice, guys. Am I audible, everyone? Every
Yes.
person, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else, ma? Anything else, guys? Is everything clear, ma, everyone? Akash, Shwarna, Dilip, Raja Babu?
Yes, ma'am.